The Hotronix Fusion heat press is our #1 selling heat press, and for good reason. It can return more profit to your business quicker than any other heat press on the market, and I'm going to show you why. Let's come in close for a look at the Hotronix Fusion basic features, and I'll show you how this press can print more than any other heat press on the market, making it a perfect investment. Let's start with the basics of the press. Threadability. With threadability, the heat press allows for fast, easy, accurate production. Simply split your garment, jersey, whatever you might be loading, onto the press, letting all seams and excess hang over the edge to get a completely flat printing surface. Heat print the front. After the front's completed, you can print and spin to quickly heat print the back, making production very fast, very easy. Threadability, also coupled with interchangeable attachments, allows you to print more. With the simple click out, you can swap off the 16x20" standard platen, which is loaded with the quick slip pad protector that comes standard in the Print More package for easy loading of items. And you can drop in an optional attachment. All these attachments are included in the package. This is an 11x15", also with the quick slip lower protector loaded onto it for easy loading of items. And now I can thread smaller ladies cut and youth shirts that won't normally thread onto a 16x20 platen, making them easy to print and spin as well. If you print fronts and backs, there's not a faster press on the market for doing that. All heat transfer platens for the Fusion can be rotated to portrait or landscape. This provides the perfect opportunity for heat printing the front of items like hoodies, getting rid of the drawstrings and the hooded pocket, allowing for easy, accurate printing. In your Print More package, you'll surely want to heat print items such as performance wear, which return a lot of profit to your business. So we've included a flexible application pad, which is an optional cover sheet that you can use instead of craft paper or a non-stick cover sheet. This allows you to eliminate heat press marks on performance wear. In addition to the 11x15 platen, maybe you'll want to print additional items to grow your sales opportunities. And for that reason, we include the smaller 6x10 attachment. Now the back of this jacket's already been printed on the 16x20 platen, threaded so the zipper hangs beneath. But if I want to print a left chest location, I can load 6x10 platen, load the garment, allow the zipper to hang off the edge, no pillows or print perfect pads required. Simply load and print. Rotating from portrait to landscape, I can begin to accommodate items such as this laptop bag, where buckles, zippers would normally impact application. With the Fusion and its threadability and interchangeable platens, load it, get rid of the zippers, get a nice, completely flat printing area. Very easy to decorate more items with this press. That's why we call it the Print More package. And we're not done yet. Now let's swap out the 6x10 attachment that's included in the package, and let's load on the leg and sleeve attachment. Very fast, very easy for change out, and now I can begin to print large prints down the side of a pant leg, effectively adding more profit to any sale I have. Not only can I sell a t-shirt, but I can sell long pants, or I can print long sleeve shirts along with it to increase my profit. Very quick, very easy. If you really want to impress customers or break in the door at different types of businesses, how about printing shoes? We've included our popular shoe platen as a standard option in this package. Once again, loading the shoe attachment on, loading a pair of shoes, covering them with my flexible application pad, and completing the application. We manufacture heat transfers that will adhere to shoes and all the items we're looking at today. I want to load on the 16x20 attachment back and explain one more thing. Now, of course, there are those items such as button-up shirts where you're not going to be able to fully get rid of the buttons to heat print your logo. It's just simply too small of a placement. And for that reason, we include the 16x20 heat printing pillow. Now, I can unbutton the shirt, If I need to do a left chest graphic placement, I can drape the excess of the shirt underneath of the press so it's not falling off the edge. I can slide in the heat printing pillow. Now when I go to print that location, all of the buttons in the seam structure are going to sink down into the pillow, giving me a nice, even pressure area for a left chest application. If you need to get rid of zippers, buttons that simply can't be draped off the side of the press, that's why this is included. In addition to all of this, you'll get a pack of craft paper, which is a reusable cover sheet that leaves a nice matte finish on heat transfers. Additionally, you'll qualify through a trade discount with Stahls. The Hotronix Fusion is our top-selling press, not only because it can print more items, but it prints them accurately. With its touchscreen displays, you can pre-program all of your material settings into the control board and switch to them with the touch of a button. You can program this machine to come on in the morning to make sure it's heated up and turn off at night, making sure you never forget it and waste electricity. Invest in a Hotronix Fusion Print More package. 5-year warranty with the machine, lifetime warranty on the heating element, guaranteeing no cold spots.
The Hotronix Fusion Print More package includes the Hotronix Fusion heat press and all of the items and accessories listed, including a Transfer Express marketing kit to jumpstart your heat printing business. This package will help you print more locations, more items, more efficiently, more comfortably, and more accurately. To purchase or to request more information, call 1-800-4-STAHLS.